Vinyl windows are a popular choice for Sugarland homeowners, and for good reason. They're energy efficient, low maintenance, and designed to handle Texas heat and humidity. However, even the highest quality vinyl windows can fail to perform if they're installed incorrectly. Unfortunately, installation mistakes are more common than many homeowners realize, and they can lead to drafts, water damage, higher energy bills, and costly repairs down the road. If you're planning a vinyl window installation in Sugarland, here are the most common mistakes to avoid, and how to protect your investment. Skipping proper measurements. One of the biggest mistakes happens before installation even begins: inaccurate measurements. Vinyl windows must be custom fit to your home's openings. If measurements are rushed or taken incorrectly, the window may be too large or too small, leading to gaps, uneven alignment, or forced installation. In Sugarland homes, especially older properties, window openings may not be perfectly square. Professional installers know how to measure correctly and account for these irregularities to ensure a tight, secure fit. Ignoring local climate conditions. Sugarland's climate brings high humidity, intense summer heat, and sudden rainstorms. Installing vinyl windows without accounting for these conditions can cause long-term problems. Improper sealing or inadequate flashing can allow moisture to seep in, leading to mold, rot, or interior wall damage. Quality installation includes moisture barriers, proper drainage, and weather-resistant sealing designed specifically for Texas weather. This step is essential for protecting your home year-round. Poor sealing and insulation. Even a perfectly sized vinyl window can underperform if it's not sealed correctly. Gaps around the frame allow air leaks, which reduce energy efficiency and make your HVAC system work harder. Over time, this leads to higher utility bills and uncomfortable indoor temperatures. A professional installer uses the right insulation materials and techniques to seal every edge properly, without overstuffing or leaving voids that compromise performance. Over-tightening the frame. Vinyl windows are durable, but they're also designed to expand and contract with temperature changes. Over-tightening screws during installation can warp the frame, making windows difficult to open or close and reducing their lifespan. Experienced installers know how to secure vinyl windows firmly while still allowing for natural movement. This balance is especially important in Sugarland, where temperature swings can be significant. Reusing old or damaged materials. Trying to cut costs by reusing old flashing, trim, or fasteners is another common mistake. These materials may already be worn, corroded, or incompatible with modern vinyl windows. Reusing them increases the risk of leaks and structural issues. Proper installation includes replacing worn components and using materials designed specifically for vinyl window systems. Not leveling and squaring the window. A window that looks fine at first glance may still be improperly installed if it isn't level and square. This can cause sticking, uneven wear, and broken seals over time. You may notice difficulty locking the window or increased drafts months after installation. Professional installers take the time to check alignment from multiple angles to ensure smooth operation and long-term reliability. Choosing price over experience. Perhaps the most costly mistake is choosing an installer based solely on the lowest price. Inexperienced or unlicensed installers may rush the job, skip critical steps, or lack knowledge of local building standards in Sugarland. A properly installed vinyl window should last decades. Paying for skilled workmanship upfront often saves homeowners thousands in future repairs, energy costs, and replacement expenses. Protect your home and your investment. Vinyl window installation is not just about placing a window in a wall. It's about precision, climate awareness, and craftsmanship. Avoiding these common mistakes helps ensure your windows perform as intended, keeping your Sugarland home comfortable, energy efficient, and protected from the elements. When done right, vinyl window installation adds lasting value to your home and peace of mind for years to come.